Hi, welcome back to the Lovely Wolf Den. I'm Camille, and today I'm going to be making a K-pop jean jacket. For the last couple of weeks, I've been slowly going through different shops trying to find a jean jacket in the summer, which was a little more difficult than I had anticipated. But I finally found one today, and this idea stemmed from when we went to the Sunmi concert. She had these t-shirts, which look like this. And I don't really do like large logo shirts. It's never been really comfortable to me. So when I looked at it, I was like, oh, this would look great on the back of a jean jacket. So now I've collected a few things that are K-pop specific. So I have the Sunmi shirt, the TXT logo pins, which you'll see a closer up later, a BTS Love Yourself, Love Myself UNICEF campaign pin, and BTS pins from the Love Yourself, Speak Yourself tour. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer and you're really just gonna see my hands working on the jacket. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first things first, I have to cut this out of the shirt. I'm just gonna move that out of the way. And I think I'm going to just sort of like round it out of the shirt right now because I don't particularly know how much material I should have for, sewing purposes. I think it's good to note that I can't DIY. As you can see from our many videos before, I am not a DIY-er. And yeah. Wait, I think I need to change these scissors. So now that I have the proper scissors, I'm gonna cut a little bit closer. Okay, here is Sunmi in the warning tour. All right, so now let's think about placement. So I for sure want the Sunmi thing on the back of this jacket. I realize that it's distressed. Listen, there was only so many options. I'm just gonna, so that this comes out a little bit. It doesn't, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm thinking this should go right in the middle here. Yeah. Now I'm realizing I should have measured it so I could have seen how much was actually going to show through here. Well, what if I fold this? I didn't think this through. Well, okay. So then I think no black, and we'll just use the outline here so that we can cover all the distressed stuff. Okay. So let's take a break from that for a second and figure out my pins. So this is what the front of the jacket looks like. And these are the pins I got. So this is the biggest one. And there's a small distress on this side, big distress on this side. I could put it up here. And we have these two BTS signs, which I know seems like kind of a lot for the front, but doesn't have to be. So maybe like a mirrored thing on the pockets. And the Love Myself. See, I don't want to put anything on the other side because I don't have enough. Like if it was just this, I would go for it. But I want all these to be together. And I think I'm going to put these. They're both kind of distressed, but I think I'll put the TXT down like this and a Love Myself down here. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't put the Love Myself one in. Oop. Maybe I shouldn't put the Love Myself one then on it at all. And put the TXT thing up here. Okay. I think I like it that way. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sew the Sunmi warning thing onto the back, and I will check back in with you guys when it's finished because I don't think you want to see me sewing. probably the most successful I can't DIY. I like the way it came out. I just wish I had more things for it, and I'm sure I'll get more things for it, obviously. I was just super excited to put it together, and I want to do some more stitching in the back to make sure that the Sunmi like logo is really, you know, flat. But for right now, it's pretty much done, and it's cool to have a light wash jean jacket. I didn't have one. Thank you for watching another Lovely Wolf video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if there's anything you would like any of the Lovely Wolf creators to do, and we'll see you tomorrow for a continuation of our summer spree. Peace, peace, much love.